Namaskar. The topic of the day is Matravasti, which is a Snehan Basti, but the quantity of oil is really very less. And this is the Basti which is very comfortable with minimum precautions. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Sonika Natta, and let's move for today's class. In today's class, I'm going to cover the quantity of Matravasti, its indication, contraindication, qualities of Matravasti, and duration, for how long it could be stay in body. So let's move toward the screen. Matravasti is a oil enema, but the quantity of oil is really very less. Here the word matra signifies just quantity. इसकी क्वांटिटी इतनी कम है which really make it very comfortable to everyone. Everyone can take this therapy at any time without much precautions and dietary recommendations. The dose of this basti is 1.5 pala, date pala I can say, and which is around 72 ml. यह वह मात्रा है जो ह्रस्व स्नेहपान की मात्रा के बराबर है. ह्रस्व स्नेहपान की मात्रा वह मात्रा होती है जो कि 6 घंटे में डाइजेस्ट हो जाती है. क्लासिकली इट इज 2 यामा. मात्रा बस्ती की जो डोज है वो जस्ट हाफ है अनुवासन बस्ती की डोज से और 1/4 है स्नेहन बस्ती की डोज से. ओके, यह वह बस्ती है जो कि very comfortable hai. It can be given to anyone at any time. I have seen very good results of this basti when we combine this basti with another therapies. For example, in lower backache or in sciatica, when you combine matra basti with sahasradi telam, with kati basti with sahasradi telam, it really gives very good results. Matra basti is very effective in leg syndrome. When patients complain uneasiness in both the legs, they feel difficulty in sleeping, they feel really unusual feeling in their legs. Even the patient won't have the exact word for that. In that condition, you can use Matravasti along with Sthanik, Abhyangam and Sweden, and it really helps. मात्रावस्थी को सारी कंडीशंस में हम यूज कर सकते हैं जहां पे वायु की वृद्धि है. All the conditions where vata is aggravated, in those conditions, with your yukti, you can combine matravasti with other therapies or individual matravasti only, and it really helps. It really helps to managing vata. As we go to its indications, vata rogi is indications. So in all the conditions where vayu is aggravated, you can advise this vasti. This vasti can be given in alpagni also. In durbala patient, when patient is emaciated, you can advise this. It can be given to bala vriddha, means in all age group this basti can be indicated and can be given. It can be given to king. Here we can understand it like the person who is really having very sophisticated lifestyle. For those also it is advised. Chinta, the patient with anxiety, stress, depressions, in those patients also this basti is indicated. I have seen very good results in anxiety because their vata is main culprit, vata is main aggravated, that is at mano level, at manovashrotas, and this basti really helps there. You can combine this basti with the two snehan also. You can use half grit and half telam also. In that way also, with your yukti, you can take its maximum benefit. It is also advised in adva karshita, vayama and yana karshita, means the person who is really tired with long traveling, long exercises or excess work. Sukumara, the person is really very delicate, sensitive for the other therapies. For those persons, this matravasti can be advised. Karma karsita, person who is really exhausted with work, whether it's at mental level or at physical level. And I think in both the conditions it really helps. Bharakashita again is related to work. So this was the indications of मात्रावस्थी. So कौन कौन से situations हैं जहाँ पे आप मात्रावस्थी का फायदा ले सकते हैं, इंडिविजुअल ऑल्सो, और इसको कंबाइन भी कर सकते हैं हम और थेरेपीज के साथ इसका ज़्यादा बेनिफिट लेने के लिए. ऐसी दो कंडीशंस हैं जहाँ पे मात्रावस्थी को अवॉइड करना चाहिए, वो है अजीर्णावस्था और दिवास्वप्नावस्था. अगर आपका पेशेंट लॉन्ग आवर्स के लिए दिन में ही स्लीपिंग इन डे टाइम एंड not sleeping in the night, that in that situation it should be avoided, and sleeping in the night also and sleeping in the daytime also, in that situation it should be avoided, and in Ajirna Avastha, otherwise there is no much contraindications of this Vasti. Okay, so we just finished contraindications and indications and dose of Matravasti. Let's move toward the qualities. Okay, Matravasti is having many qualities. The one is it can be given at any time, very less complications. It can be given to all age group, no very strict parihara vishya, and it can be given to Sukumara, it can be given to king, weak person, all the vata aggravated conditions, and person who is involved in traveling and exercises. It really increases strength. It really gives sense of well-being. It really gives sense of grounding to patient. And because it manages chala guna of vata, that's how it gives the sense of grounding to patient. And there is no special food and activity recommendation. So you can advise this Vasti with the regular routine of patient if it is okay. And it really helps to ease the evacuation of bowels, and it makes bowels very comfortable, and it can be given at any time. Okay, so these are the qualities of Matravasti. And for retention of this Vasti, if it is possible, it can be retained for whole day. Otherwise, 9 hours is advised. You should tell the patient before introducing this Vasti only that it will be more beneficial to patient if they retain it for longer hour, because if it just comes after 15 minutes or half an hour, I think it won't give that desired result to patient. So it's always better to tell patient before introducing only, then the patient will be mentally prepared to retain it, so it will be very beneficial. Okay, so this was about Matravasti, and I hope you learned something today. And okay, so thank you for listening. I really appreciate your attention, and let's meet in next class. Okay, bye bye, take care.